Every World War II movie you've ever seen has lied to you about how battles really happened. Not just small details. Entire portrayals of combat are pure fantasy, designed for drama, not reality. For 80 years, Hollywood has turned the chaos of war into neat cinematic stories. Today, let's destroy those myths. Myth number 1. Battles were non-stop action. In films, combat is a constant roar. Machine guns never stop, explosions every second, soldiers always moving. The truth? Most battles were hours of silence, waiting, boredom, and fear, punctuated by sudden bursts of violence. At Normandy, many American soldiers spent entire days pinned in hedgerows without firing a shot. At Stalingrad, troops sometimes stared across ruins at enemies only yards away, both sides too exhausted to fight. Real war was long stretches of nothing, followed by minutes of terror. Myth number 2. Soldiers saw the whole battlefield. Movies show sweeping panoramas, commanders directing with perfect awareness, men spotting enemies across open ground. Reality was smoke, dust, confusion. Most soldiers saw only the few yards around them. Artillery turned landscapes into blinding chaos. Communication broke down constantly. Units became lost, cut off, or attacked their own men by mistake. The fog of war wasn't just a phrase, it was real, and it blinded entire armies. Myth number 3. Battles were decided by dramatic duels. Hollywood loves one-on-one showdowns. A single sniper duel, a lone tank facing another, two aces dogfighting to the death. Real battles weren't duels. They were decided by logistics and firepower. At Kursk, the largest tank battle in history, thousands of tanks clashed, but most were destroyed by artillery, mines, and mechanical breakdowns, not heroic face-offs. In the Pacific, U.S. Marines often never saw the Japanese defenders who killed them. Combat was impersonal, mechanical, and often invisible. Myth number 4. Soldiers always fought bravely to the end. Movies show men charging, fighting until their last breath. The truth was surrender, retreat, and survival instincts. In France, 1940, entire French units surrendered without firing. In 1945, German soldiers deserted in masses, hiding in barns rather than dying in hopeless defense. Japanese soldiers were feared for fanatical last stands, but even they surrendered in the thousands on Okinawa. Real war was not endless heroism. It was survival. Myth number 5. Battles were clean and cinematic. Hollywood shows neat explosions, soldiers falling gracefully, buildings collapsing like special effects. Reality was far uglier. Artillery shells shredded bodies into unrecognizable fragments. Flamethrowers turned caves into infernos. Streets stank of blood, waste, and death. A veteran of Normandy said, "Movies never show the smell. The smell was everywhere." War wasn't clean. It was sensory overload, filth, and horror. Myth number 6. Battles ended quickly with clear winners. In films, victory is dramatic. A flag raised, a cheer, credits roll. Real battles dragged on for weeks or months. The Battle of Monte Cassino lasted 123 days and destroyed an entire monastery. The Battle of Okinawa went on for 82 days, costing over 200,000 lives. Even after battles ended, pockets of resistance fought on. Victories were rarely neat. They were exhausting, grinding, and incomplete. Myth number 7. Commanders had everything under control. Hollywood shows generals moving pieces on a map like chess. In reality, commanders often had no idea where their troops even were. Radios failed, orders went missing, reports were hours late. At Arnhem, British paratroopers fought days longer than expected because commanders simply lost track of their situation. War wasn't chess. It was chaos. Myth number 8. Battles were won by courage alone. Movies glorify bravery, making it seem like courage decided outcomes. The truth? Battles were won by artillery, supplies, and overwhelming numbers. At Normandy, for every German soldier, the Allies fired 20 shells. At the Bulge, American victory came not from courage alone, but from endless convoys of fuel, food, and ammunition. Courage mattered, but without logistics, it meant nothing. The reality is clear. Real World War II battles were slow, confusing, and dominated by artillery, logistics, and chance, not clean duels or endless action. Soldiers fought blind, commanders lost control, and victory came not from cinematic heroics, but from industrial firepower and attrition. Hollywood keeps lying because the truth doesn't sell tickets. But the truth is far more powerful. Battles weren't entertainment. They were chaos, fear, and survival. And understanding that truth honors the men who lived through it far more than any movie ever could.